Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this video, we'll delve into the intricate process of diagnosing and addressing HDMI connector issues on the PlayStation 5. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx T8 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Start by unplugging your PlayStation 5 and laying it on a soft surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the console. Be careful not to strip the screws, as they can be quite tight. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off, exposing the internal components. Next, locate the HDMI connector on the motherboard. This is where most issues arise, often due to physical damage or a loose connection. If you notice any visible damage, it may be time to consider a replacement. However, if it appears intact, check the solder joints for any cracks or disconnections. For cleaning, dip your spudger in isopropyl alcohol and gently clean around the HDMI port. This can help remove any dust or debris that may be causing connectivity issues. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice for your situation. Once cleaned, reassemble the console by reversing the steps. Place the cover back on and secure it with the screws. Before you power it up, ensure everything is connected properly. If the issue persists, it may indicate a deeper problem with the motherboard. At this point, you might want to consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel, making the process much more convenient. We also provide a quote before any repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. After reassembly, plug in your console and test the HDMI connection with your TV. If you see a picture, congratulations! You've successfully tackled a tricky repair. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, we're here to assist you with any issues you may encounter. In summary, diagnosing HDMI issues on your PlayStation 5 can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional assistance if needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your HDMI connector issues. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.